Good morning. If this is the first time you've ever seen one of my videos, my name is Errol. I'm a carpet fitter, stroke laminate floor. Now, today, we're going to be fitting some carpet, but I'm actually going to do a joint, which I'll give you a look at in a moment. So without further ado, let's crack on with this joint today. I'll give you a look at what we're doing. Right, I've already cut the joint. As you can see here, it's a 4.3 meter length joint, so it goes from there all the way up to there. So, without further ado, let's get set up and do this joint, and off we go. Right, here we go. Right, this is the tape we're going to use. This is what we're going to do. And this is the iron that we're going to join it with. And this wonderful tool is called exactly what it looks like, a spiky. And this is what we use to flatten the joint out. Now, when you're doing a joint with the tape, you'll notice that there is a black line along the tape. That's the center of the tape. So what you do, you put, that's how you'd fit it under the carpet before you join it. So therefore then, when your next piece goes on, you'll get a tight. It's exactly half, and there is enough tape to hold both sides of the carpet down properly. So there you go, that was just a quick demonstration of how you use the tape. Or the correct name for it is seam tape. You'll notice the temperature on the iron is 2, because all you want to do is melt the glue and not the carpet. You can see the joint is done. Okay, that was how you do joint in a carpet. So, I am now going to clean up and get myself out of here. Speak to you again. Now, if you like these type of videos, like, share and subscribe. Please do leave a comment and watch my other videos.